Welcome back to day 3 of Harbor Freight's ITC appreciation deal. I have day 2 up here just in case you're able to get out there today. If you missed these, you might get there before they close. Probably not on the East Coast, maybe on the West Coast. Day 2 was the 35% off Zurich and Centec code readers, 20% off Icon diagnostic scanners, and then 40% off the circular diamond cutoff saw blades. We're going to go ahead and jump into day 3 tomorrow, January 29th. Inside Track Club appreciation days, 25% off. They just showed McGraw, but 25% off compressors. Click for details. We can't click yet. Insider knowledge, not really. The website isn't up to date, at least not right now, but the mobile app is up to date. So you can actually go on the mobile app where I took the screenshots that we'll kind of go over. But 25% off. It is all compressors, 30% off all hand trucks, and then 25% off all Icon. It says large storage. And then actually this one has a little extra note here. In-store only pre-sale orders available. So let's look at the first one. Hand trucks. Day 3, let's look at the fine print just to make sure we understand it. So 30% off hand trucks, valid in-store and on in-stock items only. Save 30% off all hand trucks purchased. Cannot be combined or stacked with other discounts, promotions, or prior purchases, including ITC member prices. Other restrictions may apply. Valid while supplies last. $129.25 only. And let's look at what they have to offer for hand trucks. The list on the app, only shows a few hand trucks, but the coupon specifically says all hand trucks, so there's some miss or match there. This first Franklin doesn't look like a hand truck, so we'll skip over that, but we have them ordered from highest to lowest. I just searched hand trucks. We have this Franklin 4-in-1 convertible hand truck, 500 pound, 800 pound, and 1,000 pound capacity at $189. The hand truck's 30% off. And let's just get the calculator out so I'm not messing up any deals here. $189.99 at 30% off. Let's just multiply by 0.7. So you'll get it for $132 for a hand truck. And hand trucks, dollies, whatever you call them, might not be like the sexiest item, but I feel it's something that everybody needs and everybody could definitely use. If you don't have a solid dolly to be able to move things around, you're lacking a dolly. You're not gonna be able to move big things. When I bought my tool chest, my mechanics tool cart, I wish I had a dolly. I had to just like lug that thing around, team lifts, whatever. Anyways, $132 for the most expensive Franklin 4-in-1 convertible hand truck. The Costco one here, 3-in-1 convertible hand truck as well, a $169.99 times the 30% off. You're getting it for $118.99. And then we could do the same thing. We have another Franklin here, $129.99. We won't do the math for all of them. Really going to be your choice between Franklin or Costco. I don't see any other Costco ones here. There's some platform trucks. I don't think those are part of the deal. They're not, but it never hurts to ask. Maybe they'll include them if you need. If you ask nice enough, can't go wrong. Although the worst they can say is no. But those are the hand trucks. But we'll move on to the air compressors. Air compressors, day 3, 25% off. They show McGraw in-store only Wednesday, January 29th. But let's read the fine print. Valid in store and on in-stock items only. 25% off all compressors purchased. Cannot be combined or stacked with other discounts, promotions, or prior purchases, including Inside Track Club member prices. Other restrictions may apply while supplies last. Valid $129.25. And they start listing some of them here on the app. And we're going over to air compressors. Again, sorted by highest to lowest. And these air compressors, at least these expensive ones, it looks like they do have it summarized here. Not cheap. But again, it is all air compressors, so I guess choose wisely. We'll just do this first one here. Again, it's 25% off, so if you're getting this $1899.99 Fortress 30-gallon 175 psi high performance gas truck bed job site, this is for your truck bed air compressor, you're gonna save 25%. You're gonna get it for $1,400, so easy $460 saved. Still not cheap, but a huge discount if you're trying to get an air compressor for your truck. The next one over, Central Pneumatic, which I thought it was just Fortress and McGraw, but Central Pneumatic has an air compressor as well. So let's look at this one. This is 9 gallons, so not huge capacity, but 135 psi gas wheelbarrow job site air compressor, EPA $1299.99 times the 25% off, and you're getting this for less than $1,000, so $974, basically $975. So you're saving $325. Huge discount. We'll look at this McGraw here. This is the I believe it's the most expensive McGraw one available, 29 gallon. So definitely capacity wise, they'll cover most things. 165 PSI oil lube belt drive shop auto air compressor, $549.99. This is getting more realistic. And you multiply that by the 25% off and you're getting it for $412.50. So you're saving easy 130, 140 bucks. Let's just look at this 27 gallons. There's some good options here for high capacity compressors. Well, this will be the last one we look at the price, but $399 for this Fortress 27 gallon, 200 PSI high performance oil free vertical shop auto air compressor times the 25% off, and you're getting it for $299. $299 versus $399, you're saving 100 bucks. I guess I didn't need to use the calculator on that one. But you're saving 100 bucks, which is 25% of $400. And we'll just look at the other ones available. Again, it's all compressors. 26 gallon Fortress, 175 PSI ultra quiet oil free vertical shop auto air compressor, $399. This 5 gallon 225 PSI high performance oil free wheeled job site air compressor. A lot of different types of air compressors, a lot of different designs. I'm kind of blown away. $299.99. Fortress 10 gallon 175 PSI ultra quiet oil free horizontal shop auto air compressor. 21 gallon here for $279, 175 PSI from McGraw oil-free vertical shop auto air compressor. And then we just go from there. Again, the coupon specifically states all air compressors, and we'll keep going. And then last but not least, we have Icon, 25% off Icon large storage. So very specific to what that is. And then this is a little bit different here. It does say pre-sale orders available. This is specifically for this Icon storage. Pre-sale orders available, in-store only, Wednesday, January 29th only. Okay, valid in-store, on in-stock, and pre-sale items only. I wonder what that means. I wonder if there's some pre-sale Icon items. That's very interesting. Save 25% off all Icon large storage purchase. Cannot be combined or stacked with other discounts, promotions, or prior purchases, including Inside Track Club members. Other restrictions may apply. And so here, this is the king of them all. The 73-inch by 25-inch professional roll cab red, $299.99. And it looks like we're doing the math already, but we'll do this again. We've done it a few times. $299. Actually, $29.99, and even 0 cents. So multiply that by the 20. Is it 20% off? By the 25% off. 25% off of all Icon storage, and you're getting it for $22.50, $22.49.25, savings of savings of $750, $750 off on this Icon brand new 73 by 25 inch roll cab. That's nuts. If you don't want that one, let's look at this one. Not that much cheaper, $24.99, but let's go ahead and do the quick math on this one. $24.99, also even at 25% off, and you're getting it for $18.74. So that's almost 650 bucks, 625 bucks off. That is wild. $18.74 for an Icon storage. Heck of a deal. Not just the roll cabs, but you have the top chests. $17.99 for the 73-inch, $12.99 for the 56-inch. And then we'll just kind of look at the top, the rest of the few here. 73-inch professional overhead cab, $650, and for the 56-inch, $499 even. And then even the professional work center hutch for the 73-inch, $999. Do the math easy, you'll get this for $750. And then for the Icon, it's the Icon 56-inch professional work center hutch, it's $800, 25% off of that. It's gonna be $200 off, so you'll get it for $600. And then last but not least, the professional end cab lockers, 28-inch or the 22-inch. $1,400 versus $900. All of these are 25% off. And then one last thing, as we scroll through the deals that have passed, day 3 tomorrow, hand trucks, Icon storage plus air compressors. And then day 4, we have the titanium welders, 35% off, all titanium welders, 40% off, all welding helmets, and then 40% off Bauer corded polishers. And then working our way to day 5. Anyways, happy shopping. I hope you find these helpful. If you do, please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I find some more deals, I'll send them your way.